Okay, I told you that I would make an extra little video talking about the calculator and how to find the relative minimum or maximum in your calculator. So we had two problems like that in the notes that we did. We had problem 6 and problem 7. So I'll do problem 6 here in the Desmos calculator. It's just desmos.com/calculator. You can use this one if you want to. It's going to be very, very easy for your Math Excel work. But you will have to use the Inspire on the ACT. So if you would rather use that calculator to practice, you're absolutely welcome to. Okay. So the problem that I was given, or we were given, sorry, I'm doing that so I can try to see my little tools, and I can't see it. Okay, we'll just have to do it this way. All right, so we were given x cubed plus 4x squared minus 5x. Okay, so I can't see all of the turns on my graph, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And it's asking for the relative maximum and the relative minimum. So the relative maximum is here. You can just click on it or hover, and it tells you the coordinates, okay? It tells you the coordinates of the maximum. And in Math Excel, it's multiple choice. So you choose the option that has negative 3.19, comma 24.19 as the ordered pair, and you got it. Relative min, you do the same thing. Find the bottom of the U, hover or click. It tells you the point there. Choose the option that has that or those coordinates rounded, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay. Now we'll look at it in the Inspire. All right. So you have to. I like to start from the home page. I'll go to Graph and hit Tab, and I'm going to type in problem number 7, okay? So we have x cubed, oh, that's not x, so sorry, x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x, okay? And again, I can't see the whole graph, so I'm going to zoom. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. There we go. I think that I might even drag it down a little bit to give me a better view. All right. Now, I'm going to go to, when you go to menu, you've got some different options. Let's try trace. Let's see if trace works. If you, oh, is it going there for me? Okay, that's not working like I wanted it to. So let's see. Give me just a second and let me check on that and see what's going on. Okay, I think I figured out what the problem was. So I think it might have been because where I had zoomed a little bit. So another zoom option, you can do zoom, menu zoom, standard, and it gives you the standard coordinate plane, and then you can always drag it up if you need to, okay? So what we're going to do first is we're going to find this, let's see, the first one says the maximum. So I'm going to drag it up to where I can see the maximum, and I'm going to hit trace, graph trace, and I'm just going to hit my over arrows, and so I couldn't see it, so I'm just going to move it over until I can see it on that hill, and it says maximum. So it popped up right there, and it tells us that negative 3.69, 32.6 is that relative maximum. So you can just choose that correct option. In Math Excel, you can use the arrow button to find the minimum, and there it's 0.361, negative 0.745. So again, really easy. I just did menu, trace, graph trace, and I just use my arrows. And you can just scroll over until you find the minimum and maximum value. That's probably going to be the easiest and the quickest way to find those. All right, so there were your little calculator tutorials. If you need more calculator help, please let me know. I would be happy to help you. Make sure you watch the Edpuzzle video as well and get to work on your Math Excel.